Clear, guys? We need to use the break statement. Now, what is the second one? I see. Here, observe. I am using the here. What we call this one?
Sir, copy the condition also.
What condition? What condition? Which condition I need to use?
If conditions.
Why if condition is required?
Every statement check చేయడానికి కండిషన్ కూడా రాయొచ్చు సార్ అక్కడ.
అవసరం లేదు మా.
Okay.
No need of this one. So that's what that is the difference, right? If you want to write again if else statement, why we'll go for switch case?
No sir, if else కాదు సార్, జస్ట్ if కూడా రాయొచ్చు, if లేకుండా కూడా రాయొచ్చు.
అవసరం లేదు మా అవన్నీ. సార్ దగ్గర మీకు ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ ఏమంటే ఇన్ డెప్త్ ఆఫ్ జావా ఇస్ నాట్ అట్ ఆల్ రిక్వైర్డ్. That is, please remember that mindset. Okay. Now I don't want to go in depth. I am not teaching you people to become a Java developer. I am teaching you people to become a software test engineers. Okay. Now guys, let's see what happened. Let me know Monday. Tuesday. Guys, remember when you are writing the case, Russell, what we will call these two colons?
Colons.
Colons only, right? We have to use the colon.
Yes.
No, these are semicolons, Russell. At last, to end with the semicolon. This
Colons
is first, guys. Whenever you are writing the condition, we have to use the colons. But at the end, for break and this statement, we need to use semicolons. When the Java should end with semicolon, whatever the condition. See here, see why I am not using any semicolon. Whenever you are using even if else conditions also, some conditions are coming, we should not use the semicolons. Asha, Gayatri, clear? We should not use the semicolon in the conditions, but here inside the code we need to use it. See, they both are same, guys. When based on your scenario, you can use any of this one, any of condition you can use. If else, nested if else, switch case. Generally, if there are many cases, more than 10 you have to compare, or more than 5 you have to compare. Either you can go for if else condition or nested if else or switch case. Okay. Don't bother about the name, Sharada. Okay, don't leave about the name, but when we have to use these things, that if you remember, that is more than enough. Okay, default, what I can see, weak not match. Now, how the execution will happen? As now, let me use day equal to 6. 6 I will use. Can somebody explain what will happen? Guys, this 6 will, what is there? No, the day, what is the day value, Gayatri? Day value is 6. Gayatri, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, what will happen? The 6 will come here. Now, this switch one, what it will do? It will go and compare these values, guys. 1, 2, 3 are there, right? In the case, what is the value here? Now, this value 1 is matching with the 6. No, it won't execute this line. Then case, this value 2 is matching with the 6. No, like that it will go one by one. Let's say here the case 6 is matching with the value 6. Now this statement will execute. At the end, what I am doing, I am breaking the execution. Next line of it will break with the 25. Next 26 till 30 it won't execute till 28. Clear? Gayatri, Asha, Sharada.
Yes, sir.
Now let's say, can you explain me this code? What happened? I don't want the output, I want the execution. Teja, can you tell me what happened in the each line?
Weak not matched.
I don't, Asha, that's what, listen first. I don't want the answer. I want to the program execution, the flow of it will come.
It will check the case one, case wise. First it will check the case once whether it is
Okay.
there maximum or not. And then
Correct.
if
The
there
case
any
one means
case-
this value it will take, Teja. Remember that one.
Yes, sir. Value.
Okay. Here I am mentioning the condition. What condition I am doing? The value is comparing. The value will come. Day value 10 will come. Okay. 10 is equal to 1. No. 10 is equal to 2. No. 10 is equal to 3. No. 10 is equal to 4. No. 10 is equal to 6. 10 is equal to 7. No. What happened? If any of the case is not matching, by default, this default statement will execute. Clear, guys? But in if else condition, if any condition is not matching, whatever the else statement at end we have written, that will execute. But in such case, if any of the condition not matching, default statement will execute. Clear, Asha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the output will be weak not matched. Okay, any doubts, guys, in this conditional statements? Sharada, Rasul?
It's clear, Suresh.
Yeah, if any are there, guys, if you go to open the Java book or if you Google it, you will get lot of condition. We don't want to learn all those things. If you know basics of these three things, that is enough. Even in the Selenium, we won't use all these things. Any one based on our scenario, we will use it. Let's say maximum of the time, the Selenium is a web-based automation tool, guys. Whatever you will open in the web application with the help of internet, it will automate. Okay. Why we will go for automation, Teja? What is the need of going to automation?
So regression testing.
What is
Retest.
regression testing? Because see, every time whenever new thing,
new thing, the bug if the new thing which came, you have to check all the models.
all the dependent
That's why
module,
we are
Teja.
going with
Remember that point, dependent module.
dependent,
If we are not dependent, we won't test it. Okay. That time, no. So this condition, so why we are learning operator? I will ask you, Teja. Let's say, for example, there is a mobile. Why I am taking always the Flipkart and Amazon means 90% of the IT companies will be on the e-commerce domain only. Even let's say, for example, if you go to medical also, what is the main business of medical online application? They can book an appointment with the doctor. They can purchase the medicines from the application or the website. There also you need to purchase. You need to add the amount and all. Correct, right, Teja?
yes,
There also always now in the e-commerce application, if you purchase, let's say for example, if your order is more than 1,000, you will get some discount. Let's say if you take any education itself, you take if you are joining 3 people in the same class, and they will give the discount kind of thing. This kind of thing will be existing in all the applications, all the online application. That's what we have to learn whenever now the scenario came. What is the scenario? You have to check. I will ask you, can you buy the 2 mobiles for 1,000 rupees? Now, what is your scenario? You have to add the 2 mobiles and take the each mobile pricing, and it should match with the 1,000. If it is not matching, you can say the price is exceeded, the budget is more. During this kind of scenario, we have to go for switch case or the if else condition. Got it, Radha, Sharada, Gayatri? Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So guys, please try to do it your own and try to create the workspace and try to write the see, by listening whenever class is there, it is easy. When you start with practicing, then only you will feel the pain. Anybody has not yet done creating workspace and creating your project and practicing data types and operators?
Yes, sir. Me.
Okay. Anyone else? I think Teja, you know already. Sharada also knows. Radha garu, మీరు చేశారండి?
చేశాను సార్.
Okay. Gayatri, you ma?